The Delta variant is COVID on steroids. COVID on steroids. This virus is far more infectious than the COVID we were dealing with a year ago.
Now at 5, an urgent plea to get vaccinated. San Francisco officials sounding the alarm today on rising COVID-19 cases as the Delta variant spreads across the city just 1 month after reopening. I'm Vicki Liviakis. Thanks for joining us on KRON 4 News at 5 o'clock.
And I'm Grant Lotus. San Francisco city officials today said new COVID cases are rising, especially in African-American and Latino communities. Hospitalizations are also up. Most of the people in the hospital are unvaccinated. 25% of them are under the age of 35. KRON 4's Dan Kerman is live with us tonight from San Francisco with more on this uptick. Dan, we know with this pandemic, with COVID, it comes in waves, good news, bad news. Today certainly felt like we're going in the wrong direction.
Well, San Francisco continuing to do better in terms of vaccinations and case rates than most of the rest of the nation. Still, they say San Francisco has a lot more work to do, especially among Latinos and African Americans.
The difference between getting COVID when you're fully vaccinated and getting COVID if you're not vaccinated could be the difference between sniffles and suffocation.
Words of warning Thursday about how the Delta variant is impacting San Franciscans.
Every person that is in the hospital at San Francisco General right now did not get the vaccine. And disproportionately, most of those people are African American.
City officials say in the last 12 days, San Francisco has seen a threefold increase in COVID-19 cases, and case rates are 2.5 times higher among Latinos and African Americans.
With this new Delta variant, we will see higher infections of those who are not vaccinated, and we can anticipate there'll be at least 250 more deaths. And disproportionately, those people will be African Americans and Latinos.
City leaders say San Francisco's African Americans are especially vulnerable because only 60% are vaccinated.
I have family members and friends who are not getting vaccinated because of the lack of trust with vaccines and because of history and what has happened with the black community in terms of public health.
And while they understand the hesitancy, they say times have changed and now is the time to step up and get vaccinated.
This is, for me, is a cry to my community, a cry to everyone who has not gotten the vaccine to say, we need you to get vaccinated. It is important for you to keep yourself safe, for you to keep your family safe, and for you to keep the people around you safe.
And with the Delta variant spreading, the mayor was also asked if the city might revisit its mask mandate, meaning anybody would have to wear a mask indoors regardless of whether they've been vaccinated. She says the city is reviewing guidelines and will likely update guidelines, but she says there will be no mandate. Live in San Francisco, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.